We're getting an insane move right now here, end of day on the Nasdaq. I'm going to show you guys a few trades that I made based off of the Bookmap. Look at this thing going straight to the moon right now. This is real. This is happening in the moment. I'm going to show you guys the live trades from this afternoon on the Nasdaq, locking in some great profits and talking about how I read the Bookmap, how I'm using the Bookmap to find my targets. Look at it, it's still going, 250 now. I posted this on Twitter as well before the move happened. Let's go. All right, so we're looking here at the pullback to this VWAP area and kind of looking to see how this plays out here. We're just going to draw our lines right like this, and then we look for kind of a breakout out of this. So we don't really need to do much until we kind of push back up into here if we're going to get it. So kind of waiting to see if we can get some confirmation of this to get the, I'd say, like back over this 205 level right there. So basically just waiting, possibly pull back here to the VWAP first. We got that little squeeze up here off of that pivot point from earlier at the 156s. So momentum coming in here, end of day. The ES, the Nasdaq, both trying to push up here. Waiting, we got that 205 area. So I'm just gonna wait for that 205 area to break. Pretty much, just watch on the Bookmap here. Got that 205, there we go, through 205 right there. So I'm gonna jump in long right here with my stop basically kind of like down here at the 98s. We saw that we took out that liquidity at the 205, so we should see if we can't get a move up there, 215s or higher, maybe like up into this again, be like a good kind of realistic target here, end of day. There we go. Get through that 205 level. 225s on the Bookmap right now. You can see that 225 area is sitting up there, so I'll be looking for a move up there, 225 or higher. That's my target. 225, 220, we'll say 224 area be my target here. End of day for a push. Just based off of that liquidity alone. Got 184 contracts sitting there at the 225s now. I don't think it's sitting there by coincidence, right? So the Bookmap's showing us where buyers and sellers are interacting or at. They're wanting to interact. So there's a big seller sitting there wanting something. He wants to get filled up there. So I think he wants it for a reason. Not just sitting there for no, unimportant reason. Somebody knows something here. If we get through here at the 210s, I think we'll go right to the 25s. So big buyer. The whole idea of the Bookmap, guys, is just looking for those areas of liquidity where buyers and sellers want to interact at. Well, it takes buyers and sellers to move the market. So you have a bunch of sellers sitting there at the 225s there. So that's telling you like, hey, this thing kind of wants to go there. I mean, it's just look everywhere else. There's no big orders sitting anywhere else on the book right now. Bookmap here. No big orders anywhere else. Well, thinking we got to go 225 then. Not always that easy, cut and dry, but kind of a way to look at it from a liquidity standpoint. There's not a lot of liquidity sitting everywhere else, so market needs liquidity. Can we get through? I think if we get through this 10, we'll go 15s, and then they're up there into the 20s quickly. That order is still sitting there. We're just holding up right now. Starting to do something here. Getting this breakout. We got the breakout of this downward trend here, so we should see if we can get through the 10s quickly and then up there towards the 20s. That 25 level being my target here. So let's see if the Bookmap's gonna pay today, baby. Kind of chopping here at the 200s, trying to hold up. As long as we stay above 200 here, I think we're good. We just gotta hold that 200 level. 225, baby. She wants 225s. 225, 225s. Come on. Do the 12s now. Beautiful. Need to get through 15s here. We get through the 15s nicely. I think we'll go right to that 20 level. So we get through here. See, kind of up in here, 22s. Oh, yeah. We're ranking. We're cranking, baby. We're cranking up there almost to the 20s. I'm going to put 5 right here at 22. 5 at 22. Not to be greedy here. Trying to get it. Trying to get it. Come on. We want that 20 push. Bookmap still showing all that liquidity sitting there at the 25s. Let's go, baby. We're going. 22s. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, don't stop me right there. Let's go. 22 push. 22 push. 22 push. 22 push. 22 push. Move my stop up to guarantee we can't lose here. I don't want to lose here. So I'm going to guarantee we lock in pretty much like right below this kind of level here. So we can't lose. We put our basically guaranteeing we hit the profit target. Or really guarantee we make money here. We're going 22s. Come on. Look at that. We went to, are you kidding me? I think we hit 22 on the dot. Not 22, 25. So at this point, I'm going to move my target up here because we just basically like, I think 24s. I'll take 24s here. So we guarantee we lock in 1700, but see what happens here. We hit 22 on the dot. Just right at that resistance. We might get stopped here. Oh gosh. The Nasdaq loves to just drop down and stop me out. Oh gosh. And we're stopped out. So we ran right up there to that 22 level, tickled it, that 25s, and pulled back. I guaranteed that we locked in the profit there at least, so I'm okay with that. You saw the setup here on the 1 minute chart right here. We got the breakout. I was a little early to that breakout, to be honest. I probably could have been a little bit more patient. Not that I would have gotten a better entry, really, because my entry there was 205. So I would have ended up entering probably in here anyway at the 205. So overall, that's kind of what we were looking for. Got pretty damn close. 22 there. I'm fine with that. I'll take the profit and yeah, easy peasy mac and cheesy. The Bookmap painting the way. We saw all that liquidity up there. Just wanted to get touched. The Bookmap is kind of giving us that possible push up here to see if we get an end of day squeeze here now. On the Bookmap here, on the Bookmap, all that liquidity at the 25s. So over 25, be looking for that push up there to the 30s. Can we get it? There we go. Looking for this 25 push right now, right here. We saw the Bookmap. Look at all that liquidity there at the 25s. Let's see if we go right through there here end of day. 204 contracts sitting on the Nasdaq. Volume coming in here. Trying to get this push, baby. We're getting the break. Trying to get this push through the 25 strong. I want to try to get this move up there towards the 30s here end of day. This is looking good for a squeeze. I'm going to move this up. Be a little bit greedier. I think we go right through here. Don't look like it wants to just go. Goes through 25. I think we'll go right to the 30s. So moving my stop up here right below 18. We guarantee we lock in 2000. So through that 25 seller, she's up to the moon here. For that 28 push right here, we'll take 5 off there. 28s. I'll move it up here. 28.75. Oh, baby. To the 30s now. Let's get it all the way through there. Through the 31s. Oh, it's going straight up. This is a lot of momentum coming here. I'm going to take off 5 right there. We got 5 left. And I'm just going to put my 5 stop and see if we can't get a push to the 40s like we said. Go all the way to the 40s here from the 12s. I'm going to take off 2 more right there. So we got 3 contracts left. 3 contracts with a stop right below 30 here. We'll let us see if we can get this push up a little bit more. We're just printing money right now, boys. We are printing money. See if we push up there towards the 40s a little bit more here. Trying to go through the 40s next. We're printing, taking a little bit off there. I got 1 contract left, a runner. Let's see if we get up here into the 42s. Be looking for that 42 push. Like I said, this definitely wanted that 25 and then 30. And then we saw on the daily chart the idea of pushing the 40. So right now, looking for a 42 push right here, right now. Woo! Take it. Take it. Take it, 42s. Getting filled all out from the 12s there. Absolutely beautiful trade, my friends. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Let's go. Woo!